Might see some more orange cones on the roads during your commute next week. The DOT says work to fix several noise walls near I-41 and I-43 starts Monday. Stephanie Quirk joins us live. And Stephanie, this is really fascinating because some people are actually looking forward to all this work.
Aaron, that is exactly right. Neighbors we spoke to say this is work that at some point just needs to be done. And that's because the DOT says some of these walls are beginning to fall apart, but with construction comes potential closures. When you drive down portions of I-43 and I-41, instead of houses and buildings, you'll see these walls. The barriers are meant to block out the buzz of traffic for people who live on the other side.
It takes a little bit to get used to with the traffic noise, but I mean, it's nice.
On Monday, the sounds of commuters will be joined with construction.
It needs to be done, I guess. You need to upkeep stuff.
The state DOT is beginning work to repair and repaint several noise walls in southeastern Wisconsin.
It does look like there was some graffiti.
Just graffiti.
Dave Tageson celebrates the upcoming change.
Before the wall was there that you'd have to yell in the backyard to even hear.
This is just one of 14 existing noise walls they'll be repairing, with 13 in Milwaukee County and 1 in Waukesha.
The concrete wall seems to be the best wall.
But the DOT says with construction comes potential lane, shoulder, and ramp closures.
It gets frustrating if they don't do a good job in the placement for like the signs to notify you about it.
But for some residents and drivers,
it pops up on you.
It's nothing new.
It seems like you're dodging orange barrels everywhere as it is. I mean, it doesn't matter which way you go.
And the DOT anticipates work to be completed by the end of this summer. If you'd like to see where exactly construction is, you can check that out on FOX6Now.com. For now, reporting live in Milwaukee County, Stephanie Quirk, FOX 6 News.
All right, some celebrating construction. Thank you for that, Stephanie.